Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common networking problem that can be a real headache for server administrators. The issue we're diving into today involves PF firewall causing a bit of a hiccup for an application that needs to receive UDP responses from neighboring machines. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you know the responses are coming in, but your app just can't seem to catch them. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how we can solve this. So, the solution to our problem lies in tweaking the PF configuration to allow those incoming UDP responses. One approach we can take is to specifically allow all incoming packets to the broadcast AST address, but from the desired source port, which in our case is 52361. By adding a rule like pass in proto UDP from any port 52361 to 255.255.255.255 to our pf.conf file, we give the green light for those much-needed responses to make their way through. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference in ensuring your application receives the responses it needs. Expanding on the solution, another savvy move we can make is to allow responses on the interface's broadcast address. For instance, if your interface is named ETH0, you can include a rule like pass in proto UDP from any port 52361 to ETH0 broadcast 55.255.255.255 in your pf.conf. This tweak broadens the scope of allowed responses and ensures that no response is left behind. By being a bit more specific with our rules, we can create a more robust setup that caters to the needs of our application. In summary, by crafting targeted rules in our pf.conf file, we can successfully resolve the issue of PF blocking UDP responses from neighboring machines. With adjustments like allowing incoming packets from the desired source port to the broadcast address and permitting responses on the interface's broadcast address, we can create a more accommodating environment for our application. I hope this solution helps you overcome any hurdles you may face in similar scenarios. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your networking tales. Who knows, we might just feature them in a future video. See you next time.